In this episode of Financial Control for Life, find out how we helped one of our dental clients put a solution in place to reach his retirement goals. So if you're getting close to retirement and maybe 5, 10 years out, maybe even 3, and you want to find a place to store your money and a place that's going to provide some predictable growth for your future, but income, I have a great story to share with you. And this is a dental client of mine I've known for a while who came to me with a problem. The problem was he wasn't really that satisfied with some of the investments he's made and the growth of those investments, and he was kind of relying on that more for his retirement. I showed him a solution where he actually could use the sale of his practice and store that wealth in a dividend-paying whole life insurance policy as a way to get that money safe, to have the tax advantages that you've learned about from other episodes, and also a way for him to have an income stream that he can count on later on when he decides to say, hey Stephen, I'm going to think about retiring in 2 years or 4 years. He has that ability to make that choice. It's a phenomenal strategy for people that are thinking of selling and exiting their business and have a succession plan and need a place to store that wealth from the sale of your business. He can also use that money from that death benefit later as a legacy planning tool, which means he can leave money to a charity. He can also use it to pay down debt that he may have when he does pass on, or money that he wants to transfer to his kids, and money that's used to preserve the estate by paying the taxes. So the story kind of resonates with people that are older, that do want to have predictable income in the future and want to have a safe place to store that money. You should consider a dividend-paying whole life insurance policy to help you reach your retirement goals.